Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to bake Nutella cookies. For this recipe we only need 3 ingredients, so they are very easy to bake. Do you love Nutella as much as I do? Then I'm sure you will love this recipe. The only 3 ingredients we need are Nutella, flour and 1 egg. Start with a bowl like this and put your Nutella into it. Now we are going to add 1 egg. Use a whisk or spatula, whatever you like, and mix well. Keep mixing your batter until it looks smooth. It's not necessary to mix any longer. Now we are going to add our flour, and it's important to use a sieve. I'm adding the flour in 3 parts, this makes it easier to mix it into your batter. Now mix until there is no more flour visible. Now we can add part 2. And this is the last little bit of flour, part 3. And mix again until there is no more flour visible. Our cookie batter is finished now. I'm using an ice cream scoop to shape the cookies. If you don't have one, you can also use a spoon. I'm using my spatula to flatten them a little. This way they will get a nice shape. Now they are ready to bake. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Let me know and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.